Hi, here's a quick tutorial on how to order a book from the Future series. Your teacher will give you the link, and the link is here up at the top. It's pretty long, so you'll want to get that link from your teacher. When you click on that link, you will see this catalog. You will find the book for your level. So for example, if you are in ELLB, you will use Future 3. If you are in ELLC, you will use Future Advanced. And you will ask your teacher in ELLA if you will use Future Intro or Future 1. So let's just as an example look at Future 3. Each level has different choices. The first choice is the cheapest choice. It has the student textbook, and it also has a practice app you can use on your phone. The second choice is a workbook, and you would want to not order the workbook by itself. So you could choose this one and get the textbook. There's the value pack where you can get the textbook and you can get the online learning lab, which is called My English Lab, and you can also get the workbook. Okay, this is the most expensive option. And then there's the value pack, which is the textbook and the workbook. So ask your teacher which one is right for you. For this demonstration, I am going to use the value pack, which is the print, student book, and workbook. So you click on that. Then you will see the price. The regular price is $41.32. There is 25% off for students, so it is $30.99 without tax. You will have to pay tax, which they add at the end. Add to cart. This shows what you have added, and this shows your price, and proceed to checkout. You must fill in all of these areas that have the red asterisk. I will just use a fake name. If you have an apartment, you can put that here. United States, your state, you will choose from the list. Add your email address. School program is Hubs, and that is in Minnesota. Add your phone number. It does not like the hyphens, so just put it without the hyphen. And then click Next. It looks like I missed a field. What is it saying that I missed? I don't know. Okay, here's our price so far. Next. There has been an error. City, state, zip code. All right, sorry about that. Let's do an actual zip code from St. Paul. There we go. Shipping address. If your address is the same for shipping and billing, then you make sure that this is checked. It is already defaulted to check. Standard shipping is free. 2 to 3 days. And then now they've shown you the tax, so that increases the price to $33.43. And then click Next for your payment options. Payment options are pay with credit card or PayPal. And that is how I'm not going to, let's just look at this, I guess. Credit card will look like this, and you'll fill in your credit card number, expiration month and year, and the 3-digit code on the back. Or if you use PayPal, you will click on PayPal checkout, and you will have to sign into your PayPal. And that concludes how to purchase the Future Books online.